Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a Revolut business account. It is a pretty easy thing to do, so let's get started. First, open the Revolut app on your browser or on your mobile phone. Then click on the Join Now button. It gives you three options: create a corporate account, create a freelancer account, or join a company. I will choose the second option, create a freelance account. In some countries, it is not available. Choose your country. I will be choosing Australia and then click on the continue button. Now enter the email address or sign up with Google. Click on the sign up with Google button and click on the confirm button. Then enter your phone number and click on the continue button. It will send you a confirmation code. Then type that confirmation code. After that, we have to enter the details about our business and some other stuff in the next page. When we enter the details, we have to wait for a couple of days until they confirm our account, and that's how you can create a Revolut business account